I revealed the green kitchen in our triplex renovation. I had so many people asking about the cabinet color. These were actually wholesale cabinets and were already green when we purchased them, so I didn't have an answer for you guys until now. I ended up taking off one of the cabinet doors and took it to my local Home Depot to see if I could match it to a paint chip from Behr. I found a few similar colors, but nothing seemed to be a perfect match. And this is where it all changed, you guys. Did you know that you can actually color match an item to produce a unique formula with Behr paint? They were able to scan the cabinet door that I brought in and provided me with a color match. So let's bring it back to the triplex and see just how accurate of a match it really is. I would consider this a medium shade of sage green with cool undertones, which made it difficult to find a true match in their existing color catalog. I decided to paint the door in this color to act as a transition piece in the galley style kitchen. And to my surprise, the color match process was a success. It dried identical to the original cabinet color. I'm gonna share the color formula on screen if you want to screenshot it. So thank you, Behr Paint, for solving the mystery and giving us this stunning shade of green.